Hi friends, welcome to Tech for Beginners, and these are the top 5 free custom launchers for your Android. So guys, let's start with the smart launcher. In this, there are various categories of the apps are being distributed in other categories, and also you can set the preferences in where there is theme and another options. In the theme you can install from the market, or you can choose the default one. Also there are the animations, and there are various effects. As this launcher provide tons of effect, you can choose from them. And when you go down, you also see many settings. The animation widget support, you can enable or disable the widget support. And also there are lock screen gestures. In the gestures you can enable or disable it. Also there are single finger gestures or double tap gestures when you go down, and etc. All these settings are provided by this launcher. Also you can run this launcher in the landscape mode, that is compatible for the tablets, and for searching any app you can search with the alphabets provided for the ease of the user. So this is the smart launcher. Let's add to the Dodol launcher. This is the very sophisticated launcher in which there are various options. You can add the various home screens, folder, and etc. The themes you can install and change from the market. And there is also the wallpaper. You can choose the wallpaper that is in the device, or you can download one. All the icon packs are also there. You can choose the free one, or you can download. And you can also choose the home screen, and you can add one also. And there are the various settings in the launcher: drawer settings, gesture, notifications, advanced setting. There are the various gestures that you can perform on your home screen: swipe down, swipe up, etc. When you go into the app section, there are various settings: Play Store, hide apps, new folder, draw settings, etc. And you can choose from them. App draw setting, infinite scroll. Also this launcher provides the different effects. So this is the Dodol launcher. If you really want a cool customizable Android launcher for your Android, so you can go with Next Launcher 3D, as there are various settings that you can customize. This is the shortcut menu that opens with the menu of your phone, and the sliding option in the app drawer is very good. You can select the various transition, widget, wallpaper, preference settings, etc. These are the home screen with the effect that is given. You can choose from them. Also you can add the widgets or download it from the Play Store that is provided by the Next Launcher. Also you can add the lock screen or download them. In the preferences settings, there are various settings like the gesture settings, effect settings. You can choose various effects and gestures as well. So, and you can also select the multiple icons and attach to your home screen. So this is how it works. If you are bored from the Android user interface and want the Windows 8 one, then this launcher called Windows 8 Fake Free is for you. You can choose various apps. It will show you like the vertical bar, and you can also download the various themes and lock screens for your phone. You can customize the column, status bar. You can also change the background color from the default one, or you can choose a system wallpaper, or you can just choose the one that is appropriate for your phone. And you can edit the various things or customize it. You can customize the tile, or by clicking it you can also edit it, and you can also resize it. That depends on you. You can also replace it with other tile, and you can delete it also. So it runs very smooth. Also that depends on your handset. And if you want a new user interface from the stock or Android one, so you should download this launcher and enjoy it. So this is it. So the top launcher, as the most recommended launcher, is Everything Me. As its name says, it does every task, and the most important task that it performs is that divides the app and make the smart folders according to the genre of the app. For example, if it's social, then it will give you the Facebook, Twitter, etc. If it's the games, then it will arrange the games. So this basically goes very handy in using it and make it easy for the user to customize your Android, and it is very easy to use. Also in the app drawer settings, it is very simple, not something fancy. Also the widgets are there, you can, and the various settings in which you can add apps. For example, if you want to app, you can choose the app that you want to add and just click on done, and the app will be added like this calculator one. Also you can add the smart folder, as already it is provided default, but if you want to add more, then you can choose from this list that is provided by this launcher. Also the widgets are there, you can choose the widgets and press and hold and drag it to the home screen for setting them. And the other settings are, you can make use of that are the change wallpaper. You can change the wallpaper, as it provides the wallpaper itself by choosing it from the online, or you can choose from the device that you are using. And in the preference settings, there are various settings. You can hide the prediction bar, you can add number of home screens, etc. So that's why it earns respect, and it's the top one, number one. And if you want to choose any app, then you can write it down also, it will find. And if you want to speak the app, if you want to find the Google that app, you can speak the one and the Google will find it. So this is how it works.